Hi guys, once again, you all are very welcome to the chemistry path. In this video, we'll discuss about the bond order. Already, one video is done on bond order. But in that video, bond order, to find the bond order in 5 seconds. But up to the 18 electron system. But in this session, we'll discuss about the bond order if the system is more than 18 electron system, which is a little bit difficult, but guys, which is a very super trick. Within 5 seconds, definitely you can find the bond order. Definitely within 5 seconds. You don't need any resonating structure. Just look at the molecule and find the bond order. Yes, yeah. Within 5 seconds you can find the bond order. For example, CO3 2 minus. In generally, to find the bond order for the polyatomic molecules, for the resonating structures, you should know the structure. But our super trick, no need to write the resonating structure. Yes guys, how to find the bond order? I have a simple formula. Formula to find the bond order, simple formula. So look at this one. Carbon is the central atom and oxygen are the surrounding atoms. The surrounding atom valency is required. The valency of the surrounding atom plus which is a acid radical which comes from the H2CO3 carbonate. H2CO3, which is nothing but acid radical. The charge on this acid radical is required. Valency of the surrounding atom plus charge on acid radical by total number of surrounding atoms. Total number of surrounding atoms. Look at this one guys. Simple formula. Valency of surrounding atom plus charge on acid radical. So this is nothing but acid radical by total number of surrounding atoms. Okay. So what about this one? Bond order equal to oxygen valency, which is a bivalent. Oxygen, which is nothing but bivalent. Okay. So 2 charge on acid radical, which is nothing but -2. So plus into minus. So -2 by total number of surrounding atoms. Here carbon surrounded by the 3 oxygen atoms. So 2 minus 2 by 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 2 by 3. Nothing but guys 4 by 3. So 1.33, which is a bond angle. Which is a bond order. So simple trick. So CO3 2 minus. What about the bond order in SO4 2 minus? What about the bond order in SO4 2 minus in sulfate ion? You know that same way. So bond order equal to valency of the surrounding atom. Here the surrounding atom is nothing but oxygen, which is a bivalent. Valency is a 2. Again, charge on the acid radical SO4, which may contains the -2 charge. -2 by the total number of surrounding atoms are 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. So 6 by 4, which is a bond order in SO4 2 minus. Okay guys. Next one. What about the bond order in a PO4 2 minus? Next example. PO4 2 minus. So look at this one. Oxygen, which is a bivalent. The valency of the surrounding atom is 2. Next one guys, charge on the acid radical, which is nothing but -2 by total number of surrounding atoms are nothing but 4. Again 8 minus 2 by 4. Again 6 by 4, which is a bond order in phosphate PO4 2 minus. So what about the bond order in ClO4 minus? ClO4 minus. Look at this one. Again, oxygen, which is the bivalent. The valency of the surrounding atom is nothing but 2. 2. And charge on acid radical ClO4 minus. The charge on acid radical is nothing but 1 by the total number of surrounding atoms, which is nothing but 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 1 by 4, nothing but 7 by 4, which is a bond order in ClO4 minus. Is it clear, guys? Which is a simple trick, super trick. More than 18 electron system, you can easily find the bond order. With a bond order, you can calculate the bond length, bond strength. If the bond order increases, automatically bond strength is also increases. If bond order increases, bond length decreases. Is it clear? Within 5 seconds, you can find the bond order in polyatomic molecules. So, less than 18 electron system, our super trick. So, 3 minus 0.5 into n. I know that. You remember that formula. More than 18 electron system. So, bond order equal to valency of the surrounding atom plus charge on the acid radical by total number of surrounding atoms. So that is our super trick, guys. You really enjoy this video. Please share to your friends, family and well-wishers. Okay, guys. In the next session, we'll come with another interesting topic. Okay.